I'm preparing for something like I told you guys. And I'm preparing. Let's unbox the latest orders. I haven't been showing you guys the other orders that will be coming in because I'm so excited. I opened them, you know, off camera. Why is it a big box for such a small thing? Oh my gosh. Like, you see the box, you see the box. Look at the products. Why? My hub is here. You gotta plug in the laptop, your phone, my external drives, just to make content because everything's spread, okay? All over the place. Let's see. I'm like swole. Guys, I told you I'm coming back with a thing. Like I get a little box of it. Yeah. This one I can't show. It's a gift for somebody. Also, the box is this. I can't show you guys. I'm sorry. It's somebody's gift. The box is this small, and they put it in this. Why? We move. I'm old school like that, but it's new school enough to keep up with any, you know, these small travel like cameras, digital cameras. But I want something that also has like infrared or night vision that is top quality, you know, and it also has an external mic. According to what I saw, it should have an external mic. I don't know. It has an extra battery. It has a remote. It even comes with a bag. Okay, so it also uses HDMI and USB. Touchscreen HD, Wi-Fi transmission, external mic. Getting started. First, charge. Second, go to settings and choose your language. Third, insert a card, menu, format.